Gainer LED not only provides genuine Cree XLamp XP G3 white LEDs, but also offers LED chip soldering services to mount LED chips onto aluminum-based PCBs. Gainer LED has focused on LED component distribution for 14 years. Skip the entire soldering process. Receive fully assembled LED modules ready for immediate installation. What used to take you days now takes minutes. No need to hire SMT technicians. No need to invest in expensive reflow ovens, soldering stations, or testing equipment. We handle everything. You save money. Custom PCB sizes available: round, square, any shape you need. Tell us your requirements. We handle the rest. This Cree XLamp XP G3 white LEDs boasts excellent lumen output and luminous efficacy, and many customers use them in applications such as streetlights, floodlights, spotlights, downlights, and flashlights. After we solder the LED chips onto the aluminum-based PCB board, the customer can simply install them.